Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
This isn't just another 57 T-Bird. This is a coral sand with white interior. Gorgeous combination, extremely rare. This one was born this way. It also has power steering, power brakes, power windows, power seat. It's what they call loaded back then. You go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the information, and that's where you can study all the pictures. We got over 100 pictures of every car, and that's where you can find the price tags on over 200 cars that we offer for sale. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, the top's off. Let's go for a spin. Underneath, the car is very respectable. The floors look solid. The frame is solid and clean. It's all painted a nice black. Excuse me. You can tell when it was restored. The exhaust, excuse me, the exhaust, the shocks, the fuel system, all that was replaced. Front end components have been replaced. It's all nice and clean. None of it's brand new, but you can tell when it was restored, it was all redone. They've even upgraded up front to disc brakes instead of the original drum brakes. So underneath the car, very clean and respectable. There's pictures on our website. Coral sand, I was told they made 300 of them in this combination. I don't know that for a fact, but I do know it's rare. I know it's gorgeous, very desirable. It was born this way, as the original tag on the firewall. So anyway, the body is in excellent shape. This restoration is at least 10 years old, and it's all holding up really well. Door is flush. All these gaps are right on the money and flush. There's no bubbles, no issues. This is all real nice. Yeah, that door fits beautifully. The vent fits real nice. This is all excellent. All the chrome is sparkling. The rim is painted to match. Nice 57 T-Bird hubcaps. Radial whitewall tires. The windshield is real clear. The rubber gasket's soft. The trim is polished. You got a hood scoop. It's a functional hood scoop here. That air goes right into that carburetor. Now this hood fits all the way around, and it fits square and flush. The chrome is all sparkling. The grille, the bumper, the trim, the emblems, all sparkling. And actually, the more I'm looking at this car, the fit and finish is excellent. A lot of times these hood, if they're cockeyed just a little bit, they'll be hitting. You'll see it all touched up, but this is not like that. This fender is all excellent, sparkling chrome, antenna. This door fits nice too. These doors didn't fit that nice when they were new. Someone worked these doors to get them to fit that well. You got the wing windows, nice tinted glass, door handles sparkling. This chrome's original. It's got a little wear on it. Now these chrome vents were added. I must have threw a body or two in the trunk and wanted it to ventilate. I'm not sure, but those chrome vents were added. They look nice. This is all real good. Trunk fits beautifully. Again, sparkling chrome. The exhaust comes out right through the bumper. Got a nice little tail fin here. And the paint itself is very polished, glossy, smooth. It even feels slick. Paint's in excellent condition. Now the hardtop, it's the white classic hardtop with the porthole window. It's all restored. It's painted, new Weatherstrips, new headliner. The hardtop's in excellent shape. Does not have the soft top. That was an option. So we're going to open it up. We'll take you inside the car and show it to you. All right, let's see inside the trunk. It is finished off real nicely. Under the trunk lid, the Jambs all painted beautifully, matches the car. Weatherstrips in excellent shape. And it has the full liner kit, the gray and white plaid liner kit all around the sides everywhere. Has a radial whitewall tire for a spare, never been used. Still has the nubs, painted rim. Then it has the complete jack assembly here as well. And it comes with some extras, owner's manual, some signs to hang in the garage. So nice finished trunk compartment. Beautiful colors. And I've sold many T-Birds over the years, but this one is unique. They have the all-white interior, and again, it was born this combination, and it's been restored beautifully. The dash is all redone, all the metals painted, the chrome, the knobs are sparkling. This is a sports car. It has a tachometer, full set of gauges. Now, the steering wheel is a correct steering wheel, but it's actually smaller. Because you have power steering, you don't need the giant steering wheel for leverage. This smaller wheel just makes it a lot easier to get in and out of the car, just easier to fit in the car. So the small steering wheel is a nice addition. You have the floor shifter, it's an automatic. Carpet was replaced, Thunderbird floor mats. They've added seat belts, seats all reupholstered. Has the cover. That's the power seat motor right there. And you can see this is the original color of the car. It's never been painted there. Door panels have been redone, and if you want to take note, it has power windows and power seat. Very tidy inside. Door jambs look really nice. Weatherstrips, the latches, the sill plates, all that's real nice. Door shuts real nice. Now, under the hood of this sports car, it's a 312 motor, the Thunderbird Special, 245 horsepower, 4-barrel carburetor. Excuse me. This has the engine dress-up kit, which was an option. Chrome air cleaner, chrome breather, and the polished valve covers. Also, two very desirable options: power steering, power brakes, and then the master cylinder was upgraded to a dual circuit. It's safer. Look at the battery. That's a nice reproduction battery. Look how all the brackets and hardware, everything is proper. This whole engine compartment is really detailed. The motor, the brackets, the engine bay, it's all really nice. Fan shrouds painted. They did upgrade to an electric fan inside of there to keep it running cool in parades and that. It even has a washer bag that's hooked up to the squirters, but a really nice motor compartment. The bottom side of the hood's painted smooth. Generator, fuel bowl, all that's in real nice shape. It is an upgraded Holley carburetor with an electric choke as well. And then here's the hardtop. It looks like it's completely redone. The glass looks new, the headliner, the weather strips, beautiful condition hardtop. So we'll close it up now. Just drop the hood and it shuts. Everything fits and shuts beautifully on this car. There you have it, 57 Thunderbird. Again, if you want it to be different than all the others out there, here's your opportunity. You better jump at it. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this car, what I know about it, but there's plenty of ways on there to reach out to our sales staff. If you have questions or concerns, they'll help you the best they can. They can also deliver this to your driveway no matter where you're at in the country. They can help make those arrangements. They can also help you get financing. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching. So are people really notified?